Consumer electronics are at the forefront of innovation, and with that comes a unique set of intellectual property challenges. One of the most exciting advancements in this field is carbon nanotube technology. These tiny structures, just a few nanometers in diameter, have the potential to revolutionize everything from batteries to displays. But how do you protect these groundbreaking innovations? That's where patents come into play. When it comes to patenting carbon nanotube technologies, the process begins with understanding what makes your invention unique. You need to clearly define the specific application of carbon nanotubes in your product. Is it a new method of manufacturing, a novel application that enhances performance, or perhaps a unique composition that offers improved durability? Each of these aspects can be critical in establishing the novelty of your invention. Next, conducting a thorough patent search is essential. This helps identify existing patents that may overlap with your technology. Understanding the landscape of existing patents not only informs your strategy, but can also highlight potential areas for innovation. If you find similar patents, you'll need to differentiate your invention further to ensure it meets the criteria for patentability: novelty, non-obviousness, and usefulness. Once you've established your unique angle, it's time to draft your patent application. This is where the expertise of a patent attorney becomes invaluable. They can help articulate your invention in a way that meets legal standards and maximizes your protection. A well-crafted patent application will include detailed descriptions, claims that define the scope of your invention, and drawings if necessary. The goal is to create a comprehensive document that clearly communicates your innovation to the patent office. After filing, the patent office will review your application. This process can take time, often several months to years, depending on the complexity of the technology and the backlog at the patent office. During this period, it's crucial to monitor any potential infringements on your patent. Being proactive can save you from costly legal battles down the line. In the fast-paced world of consumer electronics, timing is everything. Securing your patent early can provide a competitive edge, allowing you to establish your market presence before others can replicate your innovation. Remember, the moment your technology hits the market, competitors will be watching closely, eager to capitalize on your hard work. Protect your consumer electronics innovation before competitors do. Visit patentpc.com to consult with expert patent attorneys at Patent PC Law Firm and secure your intellectual property today. Your innovation deserves the best protection, and with the right guidance, you can navigate the complexities of patenting carbon nanotube technologies effectively.